Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the evaluation, that is a book back question and answers of Standard 7 History Unit 3, Emergence of New Kingdoms in South India, Later Cholas and Pandyas. Come, children, let us learn. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Who revived the later Chola dynasty? Who revived the later Chola dynasty? The answers are A. Vijayalaya, B. Rajaraja I, C. Rajendra I, and D. Adi Rajendra. Can you tell me the answer, children? Yes, that is right. It is Vijayalaya. It was Vijayalaya who revived the later Chola dynasty. Moving to question number 2. Who among the following Pandyas ruled is known for ending the Kalabra rule? Who among the following Pandya rulers is known for ending the Kalabra rule? Option A. Kadungon, option B. Veerapandian, option C. Koon Pandyan, option D. Varaguna. And the answer is correct. It is Kadungon. Kadungon was the Pandya ruler who is known for ending the Kalabra rule. Moving to question number 3. Which of the following was the lowest unit of Chola administration? Which of the following was the lowest unit of Chola administration? Option A. Mandalam, B. Nada, C. Kuram, D. Ur. And the answer is Ur. Ur was the lowest unit of Chola administration. Moving to question number 4. Who was the last ruler of the Vijayalaya line of Chola dynasty? Who was the last ruler of the Vijayalaya line of Chola dynasty? Option A. Veera Rajendra, option B. Rajadiraja, option C. Adi Rajendra, option D. Rajaraja II. And the answer is correct, Adi Rajendra. Adi Rajendra was the last ruler of Vijayalaya line of Chola dynasty. An example of Chola architecture can be seen at dash. An example of Chola architecture can be seen at dash. Option A. Kannairam, option B. Urayur, option C. Kanchipuram, option D. Tanjavur. And the answer is Tanjavur. An example of Chola architecture can be seen at Tanjavur. Moving to question number 6. To which of the following Marco Polo went in the last decade of 13th century in India? To which of the following Marco Polo, the traveller, went in the last decade of 13th century in India? Options are A. Chola Mandalam, B. Pandya country, C. Kongu region, and D. Malaynadu. And the answer is Pandya country. In the 13th century, Marco Polo visited the Pandya country. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash built the famous Brigadishwara temple at Tanjavur. Dash built the famous Brigadishwara temple at Tanjavur. Answer is Rajaraja I. Rajaraja I built the famous Brigadishwara temple at Tanjavur. Question number 2. Dash established a Vedic college at Ennairam. Dash established a Vedic college at Ennairam. The answer is Rajendra I. Rajendra I established a Vedic college at Ennairam with around 340 students learning the Vedas, grammar and Upanishads. Question number 3. Dash was the donor of Velvikudi copper plates. Dash was the donor of Velvikudi copper plates? The answer is Jatila Parantaka Nedunjadiyan. Jatila Parantaka Nedunjadiyan. Jatila Jatila Parantaka 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 Nedunjadiyan. Nedunjadayan. Jatila Parantaka Nedunjadiyan was the donor of the Velvikudi copper plates. Question number 4. The royal secretariat of the Pandya kingdom was known as dash. The royal secretariat of Pandya kingdom was known as, the answer is Elutha Mandapam. Eluthu Elutha Mandapam. Mandapam. Elutha Mandapam. The royal secretariat of the Pandya kingdom was known as Elutha Mandapam. Moving on to Roman number 3, match the following. I'll read out the questions, then we will see the answers. First one, Madurai, inland traders. Number 2, Gangaikonda Cholapuram, maritime traders. Number 3, Anjavannattar, capital of Cholas. Number 4, Manigramamattar, capital of Pandyas. It is easy, right children? Yes, the answers are first one, Madurai, capital of Pandyas. Gangaikonda Cholapuram, capital of Cholas. Anjavannattar is our maritime traders. Manigramamattar are inland traders. I repeat, Madurai, capital of Pandyas. Gangaikonda Cholapuram, capital of Cholas. Anjavannattar, maritime traders. Manigramamattar, inland traders. Moving to Roman number 4, true or false. Question number 1. A Muslim state subordinate to Delhi Sultan was in Madurai. A Muslim state subordinate to Delhi Sultan was in Madurai. The answer is true. Question number 2. Kodal Nagar Kavalan was a title of a Pandya king. Kodal Nagar Kavalan was a title of a Pandya king. The answer is true. Pandya kings preferred Madurai as a capital and it was popularly venerated as Kodal. And Kodal Nagar Kavalan was the name of the king. Question number 3. Chola kingdom was situated in the Vaigai Delta. Chola kingdom was situated in the Vaigai Delta. The answer is false. The children, the Chola kingdom was situated in the Kaveri Delta, not in the Vaigai Delta. Question number 4. Kolathunga I belonged to the Chalukya Chola dynasty. Kolathunga I belonged to the Chalukya Chola dynasty. The answer is true. He belonged to the Chalukya Chola dynasty. Question number 5. The elder son of the Chola king was called Yuvaraja. The elder son of the Chola king was called the Yuvaraja. The answer is true. The ruler selected his eldest son as their heir apparent and he was called as a Yuvarajas who were appointed as governors. Moving to Roman number 5. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Which of the following statements about later Cholas are correct? Which of the following statements about later Cholas are correct? First one. They had a system of local self-government. Number 2. They maintained a strong navy. Number 3. They were followers of Buddhism. Number 4. They built big temples. I repeat, they had a system of local government. They maintained a strong navy. They were the followers of Buddhism. They built big temples. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 2, 3 and 4. Option C, 1, 2 and 4. Option D, 1, 3 and 4. The answer is 1, 2 and 4. They were not the followers of Buddhism. The Chola rulers were ardent Saivites, not Buddhism. Moving to question number 2. Which of the following statements are true with regard to Rajendra Chola? Which of the following statements are true with regard to Rajendra Chola? Number 1. First one, he assumed the title Gangaikonda Chola. Second one, he conquered southern Sumatra. Number 3, he is credited with consolidating the Chola power. Number 4, his naval power enabled him to conquer Sri Vijaya. I repeat, he assumed the title Gangaikonda Chola. He conquered southern Sumatra. He is credited with consolidating the Chola power. His naval power enabled him to conquer Sri Vijaya. Options are A, 1 and 2, B, 3 and 4, C, 1, 2 and 4, and D, all the above. And the answer is all the above. He assumed the title of Gangaikonda Chola. He conquered southern Sumatra. He consolidated the Chola power. His naval power enabled him to conquer Sri Vijaya. Moving to number 3, assertion. The Yuvarajas were appointed governors in the provinces. Reason, this was done for their training in administration. The Yuvarajas were appointed governors in the provinces. This was done for their training in administration. Option A, R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and R is correct. Option D, A and R are wrong. The answer is A. R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Arrange the following administration divisions in descending order. Arrange the following administration division in descending order. First one, Nadu. Second one, Mandalam. Third one, Ur. Fourth one, Kuram. Nadu, Mandalam, Ur, Kuram. And the answers are Mandalam, Nadu, Kuram, Ur. I repeat, Mandalam, Nadu, Kuram, Ur. Question number 5. Arrange the events in chronological order. Arrange the events in chronological order. It is the arrangement of the things following one after the other in time. Number 1. Maravarman appointed Veerapandya as a co-regent. Number 2. Civil war broke out. Number 3. A Muslim state was established in Madurai. Number 4. Maravarman Kulasekaran had 2 sons, Veerapandyan and Sundarapandian. Number 5. Sundarapandian sought help from Alauddin Khilji. Number 6. Malik Kafur invaded Madurai. The answer is Maravarman Kulasekaran had 2 sons, Veerapandyan and Sundarapandian. Maravarman appointed Veerapandyan as co-regent. Civil war broke out. Sundarapandian sought out help from Alauddin Khilji. Malik Kafur invaded Madurai. A Muslim state was established in Madurai. Roman number 6. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. What were the items exported during the later Chola period? What were the items exported during the later Chola period? During the later Chola period, the items exported were sandalwood, ebony, condiments, precious gems, pepper, oil, paddy, grains and salt. Question number 2. What was called Chaturvedi Mangalam? What was called Chaturvedi Mangalam? The answer is King Pandya and local chiefs created Brahmin settlements called Mangalam or Chaturvedi Mangalam with irrigational facilities. Number 3. Write about Kanikadan. Write about Kanikadan. Answer. The revenue of the Chola state came mainly from the land. The land tax was known as Kanikadan. The Chola rulers carried out an elaborate survey of land in order to fix the government's share of the land revenue. 1/3 of the produce was collected as land tax. It was collected mostly in kind. Roman number 7. Answer the following in detail. Answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Highlight any 5 aspects of Chola's legacy. The answer is, Chola rulers established a well-organized system of administration in which the empire was divided into mandalams, nadu, kuram and gramam for administrative purposes. A very efficient local administration was another important feature of Chola rule. Cholas gave importance to irrigation. Vadi Vaikal, Ur Vaikal, Nadu Vaikal ensured proper distribution of water. Chola rulers built the famous temples in Tanjavur, Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Dharasuram. Chola kings were great patrons of learning. Chola kings were great patrons of learning, established Vedic colleges at Ennairam, Tirubhuvanai and Tirumukkudal. Trade flourished during their period with Anjuvannatar and Manigramamattar, Gael-like groups. Moving to question number 8. Hots. Chola kings were great patrons of learning. Support the statements with details. The answer. Rajendra I established Vedic college at Ennairam, where Vedas, grammar and Upanishads were taught. This was later followed by his successors, and 2 more such colleges have been founded at Tirubhuvanai and Tirumukkudal. The great literary works like Periya Puranam and Kamba Ramayanam also belong to this period. Moving on to Roman number 9, students' activity. Who am I? Question number 1. I was responsible for Malik Gafur's invasion. Answer is Sundara Pandian. Question number 2. I built 16-mile embankment lake in Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Answer is Rajendra Chola. Number 3. I am a water supply channel. Answer is Vaikal. Number 4. I codified Tirumurai. Answer is Nambi Andar Nambi. Number 5. I was a great poet. Marco Polo visited me twice. Answer is Kayal. Some details about Marco Polo. Who was he? A famous traveler from Venice who visited the Pandya kingdom. Why is this person so important? He was the first European to travel to Asia. He was written about the greatness of Pandya rule in his travel account. What are his observations about the Pandya kingdom? He hails the Pandya kingdom as the richest and most splendid province in the world. Why do you think his observations are so important? His observations reveal the socio-economic and political conditions that prevailed during the Pandya rule. Now we will see Roman number 10, answer grid. Name the 2 literary works of Chola period. Name the 2 literary works of Chola period. Answer are Periya Puranam, Kamba Ramayanam. Periya Puranam, Kamba Ramayanam. Which port is associated with pearl fishery? Which port is associated with pearl fishery? Answer is Korkai. Korkai is associated with pearl fishery. What do Kasa, Kalancha and Pun refer to? Gold coins were in circulation as a trade was carried through the medium of gold. It was called Kasa, Kalancha and Pun. They are actually gold coins which were in circulation. Number 4. In which district is Kayalpattanam located? In which district is Kayalpattanam located? The answer is Thoothukudi. Kayalpattanam is located in Thoothukudi district. Number 5. Who was a Pandya king who defeated by Parantaka I? Who was a Pandya king who was defeated by Parantaka I? Answer is Rajasimha II. Rajasimha II was a Pandya king who was defeated by Parantaka I. Number 6. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? The answer is very easy, right? We call it as Madurai Meenakshi. It is in Madurai, the ancient city of the world. That's all for today's session, my dear children. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Stay blessed.